Good morning guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand. I've done an update on this for a while, but things have been so busy. But I thought I'd let that get on more with the construction, so you'll have a better visualization of what's happening. So let me show you around, guys. Okay, this is the garage area, and this is actually the walkway. So there'll be some nice doors up in front here. Let me first take you through the garage. So here is going to be the storeroom, and here is the utility washroom. Let's go in from a different angle. Okay. Let's go in this way. So this is the walkway for the drain system. So you can actually come in from the garage from here, up these few steps. A little terrace area here, like outside living area. There's going to be a wall across here, and then we're going to relance a nice landscape here. I'll show you that later on. Swimming pool. There's another shaded terrace area. So I've come in at 7:30 now. I've come before the workers come. So there's no noise disruptors. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. And so you have big window here, two big windows here. This is the walk-in closet. So these are all going to be fitted wardrobes and units and all that in here. Another window here. As you can see how quite big. It's actually a double cavity. I'll show you. I've got some video where I'll show you that it's like a double cavity wall. And Sparky's been in doing his first fix. So it's a bit dark now. But the inner walls, they're actually single course. Single. But the outer walls are all double. And this is going to be the master bathroom. So as you can see here, they do reinforcement I think it's every 3 meters they'll do, and then about 1.7 meters high they've got another reinforcement going across. Right, this is channeled out for the cold and hot water system. So we have a green pipe for the hot water and a blue pipe for the cold water. Okay, nice size closet. Obviously the bed actually goes here overlooking the pool, so you've got sockets on either side of the bed. You put in plenty of sockets all around, as you can see. And here, more sockets. So this is the living quarters, or sorry, the living area. And that is the kitchen and dining area. Again, nice big windows. I don't know if you can actually see it there. It's a double cavity system. And that's a big concrete drain system. But it runs off as the roof slopes, and it runs into along here, all the way along the building. Onto the second bedroom and bathroom. Again, this is the closet. Sorry, not the. You can call it a power room or whatever. This is where the 3 phase is brought in, and the hot water system is fitted. So that's where the electric comes in. Yeah. This is the communal bathroom. Shared bathroom for the other bedrooms and guests. Again, I don't know if you can actually see in there. It's a double cavity, double layered wall. Yeah. Bring all the pipes up for the electrics. Taking shape. This is the second bedroom. Another walk-in closet. So from the bedroom you've got a walk-in closet here, and then another bathroom here. Which you can't actually have access yet. Right. That's for the runoff, the rain runoff. We're going to a pipe hidden system down outside. Good, that sun's bright this morning. After I pull up the concept overlay drawing, you can actually see how the rooms are laid out. Right, third bedroom. Obviously the bed goes there. Yeah, TV wall. On each room you have a switch which outside will be garden lights, so you can actually control each section of the garden with the lighting, you know, which is pretty good. And not quite sure. Yeah, I think it's another closet. I'm not too sure. Yeah. So this is another like closet, which is quite big. Roughly about 2 meters by 4 meters or so, 5 meters. If you can see, all the walls are plumbed I put a line in from floor to ceiling, this to keep the walls all plumb. To the steelwork, you see there's a plate that welded up. Yeah. And all the way around the building you'll see your datum line. So this is the same you do in the UK. You put a line right the way throughout the building, so you can actually work off your heights for every room, you know. I don't know if you can see it. Lines here, lines through, lines here, all the way through, all the way around. Again, the datum line comes all the way through. So there'll be patio doors here, little probably sitting area here. There's a wall going up here, which is like a stone wall that's going in. Retaining wall for because yeah, that's the next property. So basically, every property has a view overlooking the mountain. And this room full of water at the moment, but this is working. Yeah, as I was telling you, these are for the lights. So you got the yellow one here is for your pool light. This is your power supply coming in, so that'll actually be cut down and sunk in, and like a cover put on. And all this will be sand washed all the way through. And a bit more garden. If you look just there, that's your chinook. So that's where the boundary the wall for this plot goes all the way up to the one up there. This is all to be landscaped. Right, back on the pool. This is an infinity edge pool. If anyone knows what an infinity edge pool is, then you understand. But if you don't, I'll actually show you a picture. So basically, the water falls over into a channel, into a holding tank. And then poured back in through the bottom main drains down there, and then you have your inlets here, and your vacuum. Yeah, clean your pool. We always put the lights on the side of the house, so you don't actually physically see the lights, but the pool is lit up. So it gives that good feeling, you know. The pool's lit up, but you don't see the lights. It's coming on nicely. So overall, pretty impressed. The guys are keeping the site pretty clean. So we're getting ready to do the wall up there for that part of the roof system. So you'll have up there, the roof actually slopes down to the back. And the same over there, but you have like a flat roof system here, and there's a bit of a tilt on this one, which you can actually see slopes down to the back, and the same for this one here. As you can see, for the flat roof there, the drain system, that runs down inside this column here, all the way down and then out. That's like that on all the flat roofs. I'm saying the flat roofs. There's actually a slight fall, so obviously everything runs into the drain system. There we go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Alright, let me know what you think. Leave something down in the comments, and either give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, up to you guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and the notification, so you get notification of my next videos. Okay, catch you later. Bye for now.